Can a marriage be dissolved in Nigeria by merely signing a divorce agreement? Now, let me answer that question in a few seconds. My name is Oluwasegun Edema, and I welcome you to today's episode of Learning the Law with Segun Edema. So, legally speaking, in Nigeria, it is impossible to dissolve a marriage by merely signing any documents, whether you call it a divorce agreement or by whatsoever other name you choose to call it. It is impossible to dissolve a marriage by merely signing an agreement. And please forget about everything you have seen in movies, okay? Now, in Nigeria, basically there are three types of marriages. We have the statutory marriage, which we all call court wedding, right? We also have the customary marriage, which is done according to the custom of the people, or we also call it traditional marriage. Then we have Islamic marriages, which is done in accordance with Islamic law. So this conversation now is in respect of the statutory marriage, which we all popularly call court wedding, right? So now, how do you properly dissolve a statutory marriage? Now, here is the thing. First of all, you have to get evidence that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. And the Matrimonial Causes Act has given about 8 instances where the court will interpret it to mean that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. Once you have proof that the marriage has broken down irretrievably, then approach a lawyer, file your case in courts, and you are also still required to give evidence in courts. Whether you'll be in court physically or you give evidence virtually, you have to give evidence. You enter the witness box. Yes, you have to do that. And after that, the court has to be satisfied with your evidence to the fact that the marriage has broken down irretrievably. If the court is satisfied with your evidence, then the court would make what we call a decree order nisi. And after 3 months, if there is no reason for the court to vary this decree nisi, then the court would make the order absolute. So then that's where you have a decree order absolute. And it is this decree absolute that we all popularly call a divorce certificate. I hope you have learned something new today again. Till the next time I come to your screen, I remain your favorite lawyer, Oluwasegun Edema. Bye.